Hey, this is Mike, and I'd like to talk about Bitfarms Limited. This stock trades on the OTC or the pink streets on symbol BFARF. This stock was up 24%, up to $4.65. This stock has been on an incredible run because it is a Bitcoin miner, and Bitcoin has been on an incredible run, and the miners are outperforming Bitcoin naturally. Any miner in a sector is going to outperform its commodity during a bull run, and it's also going to underperform a commodity during this bear run. So you notice that there's going to be a lot of huge interest in Bitfarms, but there's also going to be a lot of volatility. I mean, if you think Bitcoin is volatile, just get into a Bitcoin miner. Now, personally, I am invested into Riot and to Marathon Patent Group. Those are kind of the two biggest Bitcoin miners. However, I do think you should take a look at some of the smaller Bitcoin miners because you could get even bigger outperformance from them. So that's why I wanted to talk about Bitfarms Limited. So right now they are producing, well, in the third quarter, their production is $7,500 per Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin's at $52,000. So you can see there is a huge spread there of potential profit. Now, one of the reasons why you definitely want to look at some of these smaller companies is that they can just move up faster in price because not a lot of people know about them. So there's sort of like a little bit of inefficiency in the market. Now, the one downside to some of these larger, some of these smaller Bitcoin miners is that it may be a little harder for them to get the best prices and the best Bitcoin machines because the larger companies like your Riots and your Marathon Patent Groups will tend to have big contracts with the Bitcoin mining machine makers and get the best prices and get the best machines. So they have to kind of compete with that. But I do like it says here 100% in-house management, hydro-powered, owned infrastructure and computing power. So they kind of own the whole thing. It's not like they're doing any leases or they have a part ownership. So that's a really good sign. The fact that they're based in North America, they're based in Canada, it's also a really good sign. I would stay away from any Bitcoin miners based in China just because of one, it's very hard to do due diligence on Chinese Bitcoin miners. Is also you never know when the country, the government, the CCP, Chinese Communist Party, is going to nationalize the Bitcoin miners in China. So I would definitely stay in North America when it comes to choosing your Bitcoin miners, and Bitfarms definitely qualifies as that since they are headquartered in Quebec. So definitely take a look at Bitfarms if you're interested in getting Bitcoin miners. However, I would make my core holdings the big Bitcoin miners like your Marathon Patent Group and Riot, and then from there as a sort of a side holding, then you may want to consider Bitfarms. So go ahead, check out Bitfarms. It trades on the OTC or the pink streets on the symbol BFARF. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot.